If you need to change your MAC address on Windows 11 and you don't have an internet connection, this video is for you because honestly, many people think they need to download special software to change their MAC address. But in many cases, Windows 11 allows you to do it directly from your computer, with no internet connection required. So let's go step by step. First, what is a MAC address? A MAC addresser, media access control, addresses a unique identifier assigned to your network adapter. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or Ethernet, it's used by networks to identify your device. Now, let's change it. First press Windows plus Xand select Device Manager once Device Manager. Opens Expand Network Adapters, then locate the network adapter you want to modify. For example, your Wi-Fi adapter or Ethernet adapter. Right-click on the adapter and choose Properties. Next, open the .Advanced tab. Look for an option called Network Address Locally. Administered Addresser, something similar depending on your network adapter. Click on it and select .Value Now. Enter the new MAC address you want to use without space-fencer colons, for example. After entering the new value, click DO. OK. Windows may temporarily disconnect the adapter while the new settings are applied. Now let's verify the change. Press Windows Fader plus rtype.cmd and press Enter in command. Prompt type .ipconfig /. and press Enter. Look for the adapter you modified and check the physical address. If the change was successful, you should see the new MAC address displayed. Now, let's talk about something important. Some network adapters allow MAC address changes, while others do not. If you don't see the network address option, your hardware or driver may not support this method. In those cases, specialized software or different drivers may be required. Another thing to remember, changing your MAC address does not require internet access because the modification happens locally on your computer. Everything can be done completely offline. Now let's be realistic. There are legitimate reasons to change a MAC address, such as testing network configurations, privacy purposes, or troubleshooting certain network issues. But always make sure you're following the rules and policies of the network you're using. So to summarize, to change your MAC address on Windows 11 without Internet, open Device Manager, go to your network. Adapter properties, find the network address, settings, enter a new value, and verify the change using command prompt. Because honestly, it's much easier than most people think once you know where to look.